We have been thinking about our dreams for the future. Take a look at what we would like to be when we grow up.
I want to be a builder because I'm good at building stuff and I've got lots of tools that I help my dad build. I want to be a zookeeper because they take good care of animals and I feel sad for them. I want to be a policewoman because I would like to send bad people to jail. I want to be a Lego designer because my brothers have got Lego. I want to be a computer person because you can create games and play them. I want to be a doctor because I want to doctor people. I want to be a builder because my dad is a builder and I like to be a builder because I like to build stuff. I want to be a pilot because I want to travel around the world. I want to be a boat sailor because my puppet is a boat sailor. I want to be a teacher because then I can show what I've learned in school. I want to be a nurse because I like to help people and nurses help people. I want to be a mermaid because I want to save people underwater. I like to be a soccer player and I like to score goals. I want to be Hannah Montana because she plays guitars and she sings good. I want to be a teacher because I like to teach kids. I want to be a spaceman when I grow up so I can go up into space and check out all the planets close up. I want to be a doctor because it helps people when they're sick, they get better. I want to be a policeman to catch people that are being naughty. I want to be a builder because I'll be able to build lots of stuff that break. I want to be a princess because they're so beautiful. I want to be a doctor because I want to help people and I can do addictions. I want to be a dad because I want to play with my kids. I want to be a rock star because it's fun to sing. I want to be a scuba diver because I like animals under the sea and I like touching them and I like exploring and seeing different types of shells and stuff.
In Room 1, we are practicing determination and persistence. This means that we keep at something, believe in ourselves, and never give up, even when the going gets tough.